Cryptography. In our digital world, cryptography is essential for protecting our privacy and securing online interactions. At its core, cryptography transforms information into a form unintelligible to unauthorized individuals. Imagine writing a letter in a secret language only you and the recipient understand. From online banking to secure emails, cryptography underpins the security of countless online services. Without it, our digital lives would be exposed to hackers and identity thieves. Cryptography dates back to ancient civilizations, evolving with advancements in mathematics and technology. The advent of computers revolutionized cryptography, enabling highly complex encryption algorithms. Today, cryptography is indispensable, safeguarding our privacy and digital assets.
At the heart of cryptography lies encryption. Encryption transforms readable information, plain text, into an unreadable form, ciphertext, using a cryptographic algorithm and a secret key. Think of it like sending a coded postcard. Only someone with the key can read it. Encryption ensures that intercepted data remains unreadable without the decryption key. Different encryption algorithms cater to various security needs. For example, sensitive financial data requires robust algorithms. Encryption is ubiquitous from online banking to streaming services. It protects our financial information, credit card details, and even streaming content. Without encryption, our digital interactions would be vulnerable to eavesdropping.
Encryption is everywhere, from online banking to streaming services. It ensures our financial information and personal data remain confidential and secure. Cryptographic keys unlock the secrets within encrypted messages. Keys are strings of bits that determine the output of a cryptographic algorithm. A strong key is long and random, making it hard for attackers to guess. Key length is crucial. Longer keys provide more possible combinations, making them harder to crack. Key management involves secure generation, storage, exchange, and disposal of keys. Weak key management can compromise the entire security system. Robust key management practices are essential for protecting sensitive information. Key length and management are critical for encryption resilience. Secure key management ensures the confidentiality and integrity of sensitive information. Symmetric and asymmetric encryption are fundamental approaches to securing data. Symmetric encryption uses a single key for both encryption and decryption. It's like using the same padlock and key for a box. Asymmetric encryption uses a pair of keys, a public key and a private key. The public key is shared, while the private key is kept secret. It's like a mailbox with two keys. Anyone can drop a letter, but only the owner can read it. Asymmetric encryption is used for key exchange, digital signatures, and secure communication. For example, HTTPS uses asymmetric encryption to secure web connections. Both methods are essential for different security needs. Hashing ensures data integrity by generating a unique hash value from input data. This hash acts like a digital fingerprint, indicating if data has been tampered with. Hash functions are one way, making it infeasible to reverse engineer the original data. Hashing is used in password storage, digital signatures, and data verification. Websites store hashed passwords, protecting them even if databases are compromised. Hashing verifies the integrity of downloaded files, ensuring they haven't been tampered with. Comparing hash values confirms the authenticity of files. Hashing prevents the installation of corrupted or malicious software. Cryptography rests on 4 pillars: confidentiality, integrity, authentication, and non-repudiation. Confidentiality ensures information is accessible only to authorized individuals. Integrity guarantees data remains unaltered. Authentication verifies the identity of users or systems. Digital signatures provide robust authentication and non-repudiation. These principles form the foundation of secure communication. They protect information from unauthorized access, alteration, and deception. Cryptography secures various communication channels, protecting our conversations and transactions. VPNs create secure tunnels over public networks, safeguarding data. Email encryption ensures messages remain confidential. Secure messaging apps like WhatsApp and Signal offer end-to-end encryption. These apps protect communication from eavesdropping. Cryptography provides control over privacy and online communications. It is crucial in an era of increasing surveillance and data breaches. Cryptography protects data at rest and in transit. Full disk encryption, FDE, encrypts entire hard drives, protecting data if devices are lost or stolen. File-level encryption, FLE, allows users to encrypt individual files or folders. Encryption safeguards data in transit, ensuring confidentiality over insecure channels. SSL and TLS protocols secure web traffic, protecting sensitive information. Cloud storage providers rely on encryption to protect user data. Encryption is a fundamental pillar of data security. Authentication confirms the identity of users or systems. Cryptography binds identities to cryptographic keys, protecting against impersonation. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, strengthens security by requiring additional verification. Biometric authentication offers robust alternatives to passwords. Digital signatures verify the authenticity and integrity of digital documents. These methods ensure secure and tamper-proof identity verification. Cryptography's effectiveness depends on key management and algorithm selection. Secure key management is crucial for protecting cryptographic systems. Hardware security modules, HSMs, offer tamper-resistant key storage. Algorithm selection depends on data sensitivity and security requirements. Outdated algorithms can leave systems vulnerable. Quantum computing challenges current cryptographic algorithms. Researchers are developing quantum-resistant algorithms to ensure future security.